Hey everybody, it's Amy again, and I'm here to tell you about Raven essential oil. And I have the big bottle of Raven because we use it quite frequently at our house. Raven is great for respiratory support. It is amazing in a homemade chest blend. If someone in your house has a little bit of a cold or cough, you can use Raven to really open that up. So I've added to coconut oil. It is also great to diffuse at night. And it will really help just open you up, support your respiratory system. There is another great thing about Raven, and I just heard it last night. Emotionally, it helps with the feeling of irritation. I don't know about you. I have 3 boys. Sometimes I get a little irritated. So, guess what's going in the diffuser tonight? Raven. Y'all take care. Have a great day. Bye-bye.